Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be showing you how to change a cell phone battery. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, and we are back. Right now we are looking at an LG. This is an old LG G4 or something like that. I'm not sure what generation it is, but it doesn't really matter. Your phone may not open up the same way, so you may need to figure out, maybe with the use of a manual, figure out how to open up the back of your phone. I never buy phones that I can't change the battery myself. So this one, pretty easy. You see this little slot right here on the lower left hand side. I'm just going to take my fingernail and pop it right in there, kind of separate a little bit. This is the battery. Then you see another little slot down here that I can kind of use my fingernail and lift up the end of the battery. Got short fingernails. There you go. Just like that. And then if you have yourself a new battery, just make sure you put the battery in with the terminals matching up to the phone, right? So make sure you got your terminals here matching up here. Pop it right back in. Snap your cover back on, and that should do it. So if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. Otherwise, you have yourself a great day.